this video tutorial I am going to show you that how to configure a DSL router for sharing or connecting internet broadband connection to a single computer or multiple computers on LAN. This all things configuration you have to do in the router. First of all, make sure that connect all those wires and cables at the appropriate places and slots. After that, power it on. Wait for some time so that the DSL signal on the router should be constant. Once the DSL signal on the router you get constant, it is not blinking, then just go to your browser, any of your browser. After that, type the address to access the software of the router. Mine is 192.168.1.1. 192.168.1.1 is the address to access the software of my router. It will ask for username and password. My username is admin and password is also admin. Hit enter. Now I had been logged into my router settings. Configuration. Go to advanced setup. Click on WAN. Okay. You may find here lot many type of connections. If you find here lot many type of connections, select all and click on remove. Mine is blank and mine is empty. So I will click here add. After that, port number would be 0, VPP should be 0, VCI should be 35, service category should be UBR without PCR, UBR without PCR. If you are using BSNL broadband, okay. After that, this is the most important thing. You have to, since you are going to, in order to share multiple computers or connect multiple computers over a LAN for internet, click over here, PPP over Ethernet, PPP over Ethernet, PPPOE. This one should be PPP over Ethernet. Select this one. Otherwise, if you don't select this, you won't get access to the multiple computers and internet. So select here this one, LCC strap bridging. Click on next. Put your username which you have got from your service provider, your broadband username. It is asking your broadband username. Mine is PBSWA. Put your password which you have got from your BSNL provider. I'm sorry, any of your network provider, broadband provider. Put your provider name. Mine is BSNL. Okay. Authentication mode, keep it auto. Bridging, MTU size, keep it here 1492. Alright, click on next. After that, tick enable NAT, enable firewall, enable WAN service. Okay, after that, click next. After that, it is okay. Now everything is configured. Click here save. And after that, you click on reboot. See here, one connection is created. Reboot. Once the router will reboot, you will get access to internet or broadband on each of your computer connected to the LAN. Now I would show you that. Okay guys, now this is the second part of the video tutorial. In this tutorial, I would show that how to configure the Wi-Fi of the router. So, actually, in the previous tutorial, which the router I had used was not inbuilt with Wi-Fi. I basically use a dlink router for the Wi-Fi purpose. So, let's see the process. First of all, you need to configure your router. So in order to do that, refer your manual in order to access the software of the router. So my manual says that if you enter 192.168.0.1, you would be allowed to access the Wi-Fi router. So it will ask for the username and password for the, remember this is the username and password for the router, entering to the software. I would enter my username, and again I have not set any password, and press OK. Now see, I get into the software of the router. Here I have to configure whether your router is of dlink, whether it is of Cisco, whether it is of a Netgear. The process is almost similar. It's differ even a bit. So go to the wireless settings. After that, this page will include all the mandatory settings for the Wi-Fi. First of all, select the wireless mode. You compulsorily select the access point mode. If you have multiple ports Wi-Fi router, you have to select access point mode. After that, wireless network name, that is called SSID. This is the name. Whatever you enter here, the people will search in the search for the Wi-Fi network. You will get this name. So my name is organization name is Universal, IVERSAL Wi-Fi. So whenever any person will get a Wi-Fi network, or anyone will search for Wi-Fi network, it will get the name displayed as the Wi-Fi name called Universal Wi-Fi. Okay. Select your region. Mine is India. Channels, how many systems should connect at a time. After that, select the bandwidth, maximum bandwidth available in your router. After that, SSID broadcast, whether you want to encrypt your SSID name or whether you want to display it to anyone. If you want, anybody could display your Wi-Fi connection on anybody's internet, click it on, right? So after that, security mode. If you want that anybody could connect to your Wi-Fi internet without any password, you leave it as none. Don't select anything here. But if you want to encrypt, if you want to create a password for your Wi-Fi network, just select it and go to WPA personal, WPA to personal. Okay, WPA to personal. Click here, WPA to personal. After that, you enter here your password in this box and in this box. Let's say I am entering my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Verify 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, that's it. That's all the things which you need to do. Save all the settings. Once the setting is being saved into the router software, continue and reboot the router. Okay, that's it. Whenever now the router will start, anybody will search for the Wi-Fi network, you will get a name by Universal Wi-Fi. Connect. Whenever you click on connect, it will ask for password, and if that person will enter this password, it will get access to the internet. Thank you for watching. Bye.